We are pleased to show you the 2006 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, heated seats, power driver's seat, XM satellite radio, AM/FM stereo with CD player, premium sound system, FWD, adjustable lumbar seats, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.